We have a good one today at One Side Diagnostics. Customer complaint. The window don't work. So what we're gonna do, the passenger does work. You can see the window go up and down by itself. They get into a wire diagram. So the master switch, the main switch, gets its power from fuse, power window fuse, 30 amp comes in. There's this red with yellow, which is 1N, and then we have a ground from 1M, black with yellow. So this what feeds our motor, 2C, which is red, and 1K, which is green, out of the switch. These are Hall effect sensors, or switches, sorry, and that is on the motor. I think these are when so you can know when to be down and up. These are 12 volts that comes out from the switch that go to our window motor, or you could call it module, and the ground. So what we're going to do first is go and check powers and ground to it and go from there. So I ended up taking the panel off. You remove this, and then you have a screw here and the screw here. You take that off, and you're able to get here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but right there, that's green cresses. If you look here, those cables are red with yellow right there. As you can see, and then are black with yellow. So I don't know how good the contacts are, but let's start testing and see what we can find. Let me remove this box. So got this right here. Let me connect this to ground. Go right on that shaft just to check I have a good ground source. Let me turn the switch on. You know what? I'm gonna go right to the motor. Right to the battery, my bad. Not mess with it. So battery negative. Always test your leads. So it should be down right here. As you can see, I will have a good test light there. I think that's the only power feed that we have, but let's not be so sure. Let's check the other two, which is talk to each other. So what we're gonna do next is see if this thing is able to provide power. So I am back probe to the ring cable. As I put the window down, the tail light goes away. We're going to go to the rear wire. Sorry about that. So on that Mazda, I then put a video of fixing the wire mess that there was with the radio and the amplifier that was under the seat, driver's seat, front. And at the beginning, the vehicle, the HVAC would not work. I mean, it would turn on, the speed would go up, go down, temperature would cycle, but you wouldn't get no feedback like display knowing where you were set. So got that fixed. The driver power window control, but the control switch was had crusties, cleaned it, cleaned the board, put everything back together, got the front window to work, but the rear, they were not working. I checked the wires from that switch to the rear driver switch. Ohms was perfect. Loaded circuit test was perfect. Ended up going to grab one from the junkyard, just put it on, fix the issue. Took off all that wiring that they have for the aftermarket subs. I took off that display. The reason why they couldn't use a radio at all, but that vehicle was chopped up, hacked very bad. So I advise the customers to not invest more money. Right now, ended up getting the what else the customer wanted to get fixed. Okay, to end the video, let me turn this off. I ended up fixing this. It was a mess, as you guys remember. It wasn't working, as you can see. Volume goes up, goes down. Let me go FM. Let me go one up.
Buckle up.
Volume, the radio now works on my speakers. If I put this all the way high, I could change the temperature. I could change the mode. Everything works. Let me show that off. New switch. You gotta pay attention to the rear window. Comes up, goes up, as it should. Car's fixed. Customer is happy. On to the next one.